Привет, hello, and bonjour, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing, very early for the first time I've gotten it before the month, the December Birchbox / Blossom, because I live in France and they're being renamed. What a cute little baggie we got this month. I'm really excited to check this one out because December is usually quite exciting and they get more cool items in the subscription boxes. Last month, if you've seen my video, I was not impressed at all with Birchbox. I considered canceling my subscription and I said that I would wait until December, see what that's like, and make my decision from there. Overall, it's been a bit meh throughout the year for me, but this looks quite promising. So first and foremost, I do know what the main big item in here is, because with Birchbox, sometimes they give you a little email and you have about a day or two to select your preference. And so I know what the kind of kapow item in this bag is, so I'm very excited. I'm gonna leave that last for dramatic effect, but let's get going on the December 2020 Birchbox. This year is almost over, almost. So first of all, we got this absolutely gorgeous, lovely green velvet bag with this gold zipper. It is so pretty. I wish more bags did this. I know like Ipsy Glam bags do it, which I really loved when I was in Canada, but this is just such a lovely idea because then you can still use them, and I think it's absolutely perfect as a clutch to carry your makeup. Seems like really nice quality. Aces for that. Obviously I don't know what the value of this would be, but it's so nice. All right, first thing I'm taking out is how many shampoos, especially this size, must a girl get in a subscription bag? I think we know my feelings, my sentiment. I hate getting shampoos in subscription bags. What's the point? What's the point? This is maybe one wash for my hair. Am I gonna see a difference with one wash? No, I digress. This is by TLW, or Three Little Words, and it says laughter is best. Gets rid of impurities. Yeah, no thank you. I just don't care. But the value of this guy for this size, 20 mils, is €36. So hopefully we have identified the cheapest item in the bag. All right, next, what do we want to take out? I'm excited for this because I have seen it around quite a while and I've been wanting to try it. This is by Nuxe, in French probably, Huile Prodigieuse. So it's a dry oil that's multifunctional for hair and for skin. This seems like a pretty, I don't want to say luxurious brand, but medium luxury, something like that. Oh, it smells so nice. It smells like expensive and nice and so unbelievably pleasant. Obviously this is not full size, but it's a really nice deluxe sample. So standard is 50 mils and here we have 10, and the value of this guy is €3.38. So not bad, very cute little bottle, and if you want to give it as a little extra stocking stuffer or gift to someone else, I think that looks super nice. And I really love a good dry oil on the face, especially after like a clay mask. Excellent. All right, next we have, okay, this is the Radiance Serum by the brand Imparfaite, which means imperfect in English. Haven't heard of this brand. I'm really digging the packaging. It's a little bit kind of 60s-ish. And yeah, this basically has hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, and it's just a radiance serum for blooming skin. This seems like quite a nice size, 15 mils, good for travel on the go. Is that full size? No, it's not. Half of the full size, so again, super nice. This guy for 15 mils is worth €12.45. Expensive. I'm still not at that point in my life where I'll spend so much money on fancy skincare, but it's nice to try out certain samples. But this looks super cool. I'm excited to try it, and yeah, again, skincare. I'm more of a makeup gal, but skincare is nice. Next, very quickly, I don't think this counts as one of the items, but we got, after the Christmas festival, tea. One single tea bag from Oh My Tea Paris. This is hibiscus, orange, and cinnamon. So that's gonna be nice and yummy to try. And of course, on that note, in this booklet, there is a discount code for the tea and for everything that you desire. Next, all right, this is interesting. I've gotten this as a small sample. I actually can't remember if it was Birchbox earlier this year or Glossybox. I'm gonna say Glossybox, but this is the Polaar Nuit Polaire body cream, hydrating body cream. So this has boreal algae in it, and it's quite a nice French brand. I haven't really used up a lot of the little one. I've been working my way through all of my skincare that I've been getting and trying it out, but it's nice to get a bigger sample of this. The full size is 200 mils, this is 50, and honestly, great size to receive in a subscription box. The smell is super lovely and fresh. I'm super happy with that, and I've just heard such great things about Polaar in general. I've tried one or two things and I've really enjoyed them so far, so that's great. But I'm kind of like, again, this is all face items. Well, I mean hair. I don't know, maybe I feel like I misread what Birchbox is. I expected a little bit more on the makeup side. Anyways, I'm really happy with this. I think this is an excellent size, and the value of this guy for 50 mils is €8.24, which I think is quite nice because if you really like it, it's not that expensive. And last but not least, the main item of the December Birchbox, we get a full sleek eyeshadow palette. So this is the one that I got an email about, I want to say 2 weeks ago now, probably. And so you have 3 choices. There was the Royal Flush palette, which was a bit more orange and red. There was Level Up, which was more neutrals, browns, and golds. And then there's this one, which is Grounded. So this one I'll show you in a second. It is a bit more neutral cool tone, but it has kind of greens and pops of blues. And I just thought it was the most unique of the 3 palettes. The other ones look lovely, but as I'm sure a lot of people do, I have way too much that's already so similar. So I was like, let me try the one that's the most unique. These are also vegan, which is great. And there are 12 shades inside, so nice and sleek packaging. And when you open it, lovely mirror, and this is the Grounded palette. So we got 5 matte shades and 7 shimmers, and I just think it's so absolutely beautiful. I've only tried sleek highlighters, and it's probably the best highlighter, one of the best highlighting formulas I've ever used. Blinding, very creamy, so good. So I'm super excited to use this palette. I think this is amazing as an end of the year gift to have in a subscription box. Definitely the saving grace along with the bag for this month for me, but I think that's absolutely gorgeous. And if you didn't have chance to select which palette you want, you're going to be assigned one at random. And this guy, full price, is €13. So, what are my final thoughts on December's Birchbox? My 2 favorite things, of course, are the palette and actually the bag. I think the bag was amazing and so cute, and it's perfect for the season, but you can still go out with it, you know what I mean? It's one of those that nobody would know if you wore this as a clutch. It would be cute. The shampoo, absolutely not. Get out of my way. I don't. What? Can we stop putting shampoo in every single month? I don't need a sample of shampoo every month. I'm sure it's lovely. I'm sure it's nice, but a sample won't do anything for me. I'm not gonna know if I want to buy it or not from a sample. It's just not. The Nuxe oil, I'm quite excited to try just because I really have been curious about the brand, and I in general like oils. And even though this is quite small, as I'm sure you know, with oils it lasts quite a while. Great. This, sure, yeah. I don't know, I'm just a bit, I mean, that's probably on me. I'm a bit meh with getting tons and tons of skincare because as well, it takes time. You need time to try them and see. And I already have a drawer full from the month to month that I keep getting new ones. So to me, it feels like something like makeup or maybe an accessory would be better every other month so that you actually have time to try the products that you receive. Because I want to give them an honest go. But I am excited about this. It's nice, just okay. Again, and then to get another cream along with it. I know this is technically for the body, but still. A bit, but Polaar is really nice, and I'm excited to have a proper size of this product so that I can really give it a go, because the other one I received I think was like 10-15 mils. A little bit more complicated there. Tea, thanks. I'll have it. And of course the palette is absolutely gorgeous. I'm very excited to try it because I'd never tried a sleek eyeshadow palette. But honestly, if it wasn't for the palette, I don't think even the bag would pull this off for me. So I'm gonna have a think over the next few days and see if I want to continue my subscription. I do really like this month's Birchbox, but it's just on the line, and these two are holding it there. If one of these was gone, if the palette was gone for sure, this would not be okay, especially not for December. So I'll have a think. Who knows what 2021 will bring? It must be better than this year. But in any case, that was this month's box. As always, I will put the total value of this box in all three currencies right here for you to see and have a think and see if you want to get it. As it's technically still November, I believe this is still available if you want to get it. And at the very least in France where I am, this comes super, super fast. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you liked it and it gave you a little bit of information and helped you make your decision. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you have the subscription? Are you going to get it? Are you thinking about canceling it? Should I cancel it? Thoughts. Lots of thoughts. And if you haven't already, definitely please subscribe to my channel. I am new and growing, so it would mean very, very much for me to have you on this journey with me. Other than that, you can catch me on social media at Slavic Chic, and I will hopefully catch you guys in the next video. Bye!